Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are doing well. It's another part of high level computer languages. Now, Fortran. Fortran is a general purpose compliant interactive programming language that is especially suitable to the numeric computation and the scientific computation. Fortran was originally developed by the IBM in the 1950s for the scientific and engineering application and subsequently come to the domain scientific computing. It has been in use for the over six decades in the computationally increased areas such as the numerical weather prediction, finite element analysis computation, flood dynamic geographic computation, physics, and the cryptography and the computation chemistry. It is a popular language of the high performing computing and the use for the programs ALGOL. ALGOL is a family of the interactive computer programming language originally developed in the 1958. ALGOL heavily influenced other languages and was the standard method of the algorithm description made by the associate and the computing machine. ACM is textbook and the academic source of more than 30 years. In the sense that the syntax of the most modern language is the ALGOL, like it was arguably more influential, and there and three other high level programming languages among which the was roughly contemporarily. It stands for the algorithm language developed in the 1958. There was the major specializations of the ALGOL 58 and ALGOL 60 and the ALGOL 68. It was designed specially for the scientific implementations. Inspiration of the various other high level computer languages was taken from the ALGOL. Python. Python is a high level in interpreted general purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code recordably with the use of the significant identification. Python is diametrically the type of the garbage collection. There is a interpretation high level programming language released in 1991. It supported structure object orient and the function programming. It used block coding. Get more help by the solving most test practice and the prepare and the sample papers, as they will be help to the candidates analysis to the much more preparation and need with the part of the syllabus needed to the improve. Refer to the links below to the prepare of the other sections of banking set exams. COBOL. COBOL is compiled English-like computer programming language designed for the business use. It is an interactive, visual, and since 2002 object-oriented language. COBOL is the primary use in the business, finance, and the administration system for the companies and the governments. Standard for the common business-oriented language designed by the Harvard Bromwich, developed by the CDOS, ANIC, and the iOS. File extension ARECBL COB CPY. It is still widely used in the legacy application developed and the mainframe computer. C#. C# is a general purpose multiple computer programming language. C# is a common state lying strong typing lexically stops imperative, declarative, functional, general, object orient, and the comparative orient programming declining. Pronounced as the C#, designed and developed by the Microsoft. File extension CS. Windows mobile application is developed by the using C#. Lisp. Lisp is a family of the programming language with a long history and a distinctive, fully personalized prefix nations. Original especially in the 1958. Lisp is the second order high level programming language. Still stand for the Lisp processing, designed by the McCarthy, developed by the Steve Russell, used in AI artificial intelligence. It is also suitable for the handling and the graphics. Snowball. Snowball is a series of the programming language development between 1962 and the 1967 at AT&T Bell Laboratories by the David J. Stand for the string orient symbol language developed by the David, designed by the David J. It is a text-oriented language. Learn about more different upcoming bank exams, click the link article. Prolog. Prolog is a logic programming language associated with the artificial intelligence and the computation linguistics. Prolog has its roots in the first order logic and the format logic, and unlike many further programming languages, Prolog is the interest primarily as a declarative programming language. The program logic is expressed in the term of the relations, representation, and the facts and the figures. A computer is initiated by the running a query over these relations. Stands for the programming logic designed by the Alien for file extension PL Pro P. The language is used for the artificial intelligence capable of handling a large number of the databases.